And it looks like I caught you at the right moment. I can see you were in the middle of doing some GIS analysis based on what I see on the screen behind you.
Yeah, well, I was actually just starting to experiment with some of the new toys, so to speak, that are within the tool set that we have now, and this is some of the. I'm now seeing that we're achieving a lot of the vision that we had established several years ago now.
GIS is one of those few systems where the data that we're inputting today is going to be relevant in 50 years or 75 years or 100 years. That's a reality that's true for that system in a way that no other system can say, right? I mean, think about that. We put a pipe in the ground now, we map its location. It's going to be in service for, in some cases, 100 years. That data that we've digitized for that pipe location is going to be used by some analyst that hasn't been born yet.
GIS team has really made a difference for me, not only getting up to speed with GIS, but also with being very proactive and collaborative in how they provide tools that help us to meet our program needs.
A lot of great things about, a lot of information you need to know about anything in the system is a couple clicks away. You can find out diameter or location, and we'll drill down to some design documents that support how it got there. But my biggest trick is probably leveraging our great GIS team and using their great responsiveness to many of our issues we have.
Because it allows me to see exactly what it is that the customer's seeing at the specific location. So it's like I'm there with them. So it helps me to provide maintenance or field service exact information when I'm putting in work orders, so that everybody's on the same page and we can get the work done the first time out.
And it makes things so much easier, because we used to have to write everything down by hand. You couldn't just click on the pipe and it knew, this is 8-inch PVC pipe, when it was put in, how it was installed and all that, but now everything's already in the IT pipe software.
Do you have any GIS tips and tricks you'd like to share with your coworkers?
If you have any problems, ask Celine. She can hook you up.
My only cool tip is use Service Desk and copy Brendan.
I actually create PM notifications for maintenance.
Yeah, so if you for that address that I'm looking for, if you hover over that like you said, it's telling me that it's a high potential usage.
Another great thing, Wes, you can show is sometimes we need to locate the service line.
Yeah, it's an excellent tool. It helps us a lot out there.
Where we're able to, where it used to be no valves at all were identified there. Now we can see where everything goes. So big help, big improvement over the years. A lot of info in there that helps us with our job.
A good one, I think, is getting to know the GIS team, Brendan, Celine and Iman. They're a great resource to have on hand.